2023 has been a year of innovation, growth, and community here at Scopito. So sit back and enjoy this quick year in review. Easily one of our most important events this year was the release of Scopito v2. This was a full replacement of the original Scopito platform. A product of our extensive in-house development, unveiled a sleek and intuitive new interface complemented by a suite of enhanced features. This significant upgrade to our platform is a testament to our dedication to meet and exceed the evolving needs of our clients, and it underscores our ongoing commitment to innovation and excellence in service. This year also saw Scopito participating in industry conferences around the world. In May, our head of sales, Danny Feller, represented Scopito at the drone conference for the energy industry in Kristiansand, Norway, sharing the Scopito story with industry peers and prospective clients. And then in June, found us in Houston, Texas for the 7th Annual Energy Drone and Robotics Coalition Summit, where we connected with industry leaders and showcased our latest innovations. And from there, we traveled up to Spokane, Washington to the UIIC Summer Symposium, where we co-presented with Eversource, speaking about inspecting over 30,000 transmission power line structures annually. In August, after several months of intense efforts, we achieved a significant benchmark and acquired our ISO certification. This affirms our unwavering commitment to information security and excellence. September started out with Danny Feller, again our head of sales, hitting the road to represent Scopito at the Commercial UAV Expo in Las Vegas. Here, we showcase Scopito's latest offerings, engaging with industry peers and exploring new frontiers in drone technology. And from there, Danny traveled to Louisville, Kentucky, where he shared the Scopito story at the Utility Expo. Our presence at this event allowed us to connect with one of our key partners, as well as other key players in the utility sector, further establishing our role in this vital industry. October brought another highlight with our CEO, Ken Falk, attending the DJI Enterprise Summit in Madrid, showcasing Scopito's role in shaping the future of drone technology. And as we close out the year, we celebrate a remarkable achievement, reaching 10,000 companies on our platform, a testament to the trust and support of our global community. From innovative updates to global engagements and prestigious certifications, 2023 at Scopito has been a journey of innovation, community, and growth. We thank you for being a part of this journey with us and look forward to soaring to new heights together in 2024.